Hi, I'm going to talk to you about mortgage lenders and purchasing a house that needs some work, like a fixer-upper or TLC. And you may be thinking, well, I can't afford to fix the house once I pay all that money to buy the house. I have a lender, and he will add money to it, that mortgage loan, to accommodating fixing what needs to be fixed. So the first thing you want to do when you find a home is find the right location. And perhaps that perfect location doesn't have any homes that are really turnkey ready. They always have something that you go, oh God, and I don't have the money to fix that while I'm moving in or before I move in. Well, I have a lender that does that. And if you're not in Houston, Texas, that's where I'm at, you can contact different lenders or look up online to find a lender that will accommodate you having extra money added to that mortgage loan for TLC/fixer-upper work. And there's always parameters and guidelines and rules to that. That's why you got to talk to the lender. But the most important thing is most of us need a mortgage lender before we can purchase a house. And it's good to know that there are ones out there that will help give us added money to our mortgage loan that will help us fix the house so that it is more habitable and we can enjoy it, especially once you dump all that cash in it just to walk in the door and get the keys, right? And sometimes it's hard to find that house that you go, oh yeah, it's totally turnkey. And there's a lot of people flipping houses out there, but some go quick and some don't. And it's usually all about location. So I hope that was great food for thought for you, and talk to you later. Bye.